Aaron, or
Ron.
Yes, you guessed it, with Average Hero, and welcoming you back into my garage. Today, back with the Camaro, and I am looking at changing out my floor mats, and it couldn't come at a better time because right now it has been raining a lot here in Southern California, and the mats that come with the Camaros, the Chevy mats, even the ones that have 1LE or ZL1 or SS or RS, are pretty much just these mats with the monogram on them. I just don't like them. They don't really cover a whole lot, and they're pretty cheap. So I was looking for getting some different mats that would cover up the sides as well as be weatherproof and also have a good look to them. I've had Husky floor liners before in my 4Runner. Great for that type of car. They even had a diamond plate pattern, kind of a rugged look to it. Lasted a very long time, but I didn't want that rugged look to the car. And although I was looking at getting Husky liners again, also WeatherTech, a great brand, I came across a new brand that I was unaware of, and I wanted to share that with you all today. All right, here we are, folks. So we can see the Camaro mats that come with the car. The dirt just kind of stays on top here, and which that's not a bit, necessarily a bad thing, but it just goes all over. You can see it back up against the pedal, and then it doesn't cover very far back. For someone like me who has my seat all the way back, you can see how stuff's starting to get in here, and it's just going to start getting integrated in the carpet. I wanted to try and find something that would come up the sides a little bit more and give me a little bit more coverage back on the pedals, and possibly come further back. Some of the mats didn't come all the way back, so let me show you what I got and what I found, and we'll see what the longevity of these is going to be like, but I really like the look of them. Lovely bag. And so they also have rear seat. I didn't think I was going to really need those because I don't hardly have anybody in the back seat. I don't think ever. So I got a driver's side one here, and I also have the passenger side. It's got a little 3D logo on there. Don't know how I feel about that, but anyway, it's riveted on there, so there's nothing I'm going to be able to do to get that out of there. So let's go ahead and start with, I'm going to show you guys some close-ups of the texture of this as well as the back. It's almost like a Velcro kind of feeling to it. It really makes it stick into the carpet really well. But I love the form of this, and I love the look because it's not like I'm in a truck or my 4Runner. All right, so here we are with a close-up of the texture of the mat. You can see how the sides are formed, and I don't know if you can get this or see this on the camera, but the backing of this it doesn't feel like Velcro, but somehow it's grabbing the carpet in the car to not move. So it doesn't need those teeth like that are on the factory mats to stay in place. All of those thousands of those little fingers are keeping it in place. And then the texture here, it's like it's like a plastic, a textured plastic. But it's not real rugged, but it will definitely repel water or moisture there, and you can see how it's formed. It looks pretty accurate, maybe hence the name 3D there. But yeah, I really like the fit of this. It's not just a universal one size fits all. In fact, I think I'm gonna get them for my wife's car too. She's got a Toyota Camry. So what I'm gonna do first is obviously remove the old mats on either side, both sides, and then I'm going to vacuum it really good. I want to make sure there's no dirt, grit, pebbles, anything like that underneath this mat or in between the carpet and the new mats that I'm putting in, because hopefully I can keep these in for a little while without having to continually take them out. But that's what I'm going to do right now. And you can see how, it's really, there's not much to this. It's just, I'll keep it as a backup, but these probably cost about 25 cents to make. this in here. It's already sticking. Oops, sorry about that. All right, so we can see the texture there. And that lip goes right up against. Also goes way up past the pedals, which I like that. Well, I can already see that they're working in that there's already soil coming off my shoes onto the surface of these 3D MAXpider. That's a tongue twister. Anyway, these new mats, I'll link below so you guys know how to pronounce it or maybe how to say it. I don't, but I'm happy with them. I think they're definitely going to work because the soil I'm already seeing coming off my shoes on these brand new shoes that I have, brand new Vans, just shows that that soil would be going right into my mats or my carpet. Soil, if you didn't know, is an abrasive. It starts to break down carpet, break down mats. So it's good to have something like this, especially if you're in an area where you do get a lot of weather, rain or snow. It's great to help protect your carpeting, your mats, you know, the soundproofing underneath with something like this. I will link that below. Other than that, please like below, and if you have a comment that you would like to share with me about maybe what you're using, a good mat that you've got great experience with, I'd love to hear about that. Please subscribe to my channel. Guaranteed more videos are coming on the way, as I promised. Garage videos in relation to the car, maybe some other things, home videos in relation to fix-its around the house, kitchen, and bar. So garage, home, kitchen, bar for the average hero. I'm Aaron. Be safe and have a great day.